This is my AK47u. Just trying to make it look cool. This is like, you cock it back. I don't know what's wrong with that. Supposed to go forward. Oh, my roll wrap broke. No wonder. Crap. Anyways, the rubber band supposed to, whatever. It's supposed to, you can see it broke. Supposed to bring this back up. Anyways, this shoots. Bring that. Anyways, this is my AK-47. It's not that good, but it's cool. This is the magazine. Like, take it out. Show you how you take it out. You're supposed to take it out like that. Not like that, but it fell. Take it. It looks like the MP4 from Call of Duty 5. I have that game. It's pretty cool. You should buy it if you don't have it. PlayStation 3 and most other things. Then you have this. Aim. Put that back in. You see, it looks like the M4. Oh, aim is a little bit off. M4 carbine. Pretty cool. Anyways, it's a cool gun. I like it. I don't know how I made it. It took me about 3 days. I have rubber band right there. See? Supposed to pull back. I don't like pulling it back. It's like not even a real gun. So I made like a cock. You know, the thing. So I go like that. It pulls back with this because I have something right here. Let me show you. This little piece right there. Show you. See that little piece? It hits that. That pulls it back. That's the back. Just to tell you. The back, right? Pull it back. Then you whatever it goes. Let me show you how it shoots. I'm going to show you 3 times. Okay. Oh, this is alright. This is good. Put the bullet through here. See? Watch this. Pull it back. Take the bullet. I'm gonna show you how it shoots from here. Watch. Let me show you. When you shoot up in there, you're gonna see it come down. Watch. Well, you probably didn't saw that one, but it's a good gun. And that's practically it. Oh, and this is like the rail. You can see right there. See that little thing right there? It's like the little rail, so it won't fall off like that way. You know, that off. Anyways, peace out. Thanks.